First question is, which one of the following is the sweetest sugar? Option A, fructose. Option B, glucose. Option C, galactose. And option D, sucrose. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is fructose. Fructose is the most common form of sugar. It is the sweetest among all naturally occurring sugars and has a sweetening index of about 170 against glucose, which has a sweetening index of about 70. Following is the characteristic of plants. Option A, glucose and cellulose. Option B, pyruvic acid and glucose. Option C, cellulose and starch. And option D, starch and pyruvic acid. Of these, option A, B and D are ruled out because of the presence of glucose, pyruvic acid and pyruvic acid, as these are not the components of plants, but cellulose and starch are the characteristic of plants, and thus the answer is option C. Our next question is, pentoses and hexoses are the most common. Option A, disaccharides. Option B, monosaccharides. Option C, oligosaccharides. And option D, polysaccharides. The correct answer to this question is monosaccharides. Disaccharides are a combination of two monosaccharides, where polysaccharides contain a large number of monosaccharides. The correct answer here is option B, monosaccharides. Question is, corn is immersed in boiling water. It is then cooled. The solution becomes sweet. This is due to option A, enzymes are inactivated in boiling water. Option B, disaccharides are converted to monosaccharides. Option C, monosaccharides are converted to disaccharides. Option D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is option B, which is disaccharides are converted to monosaccharides. Next question is, the simple polyhydroxy ketone molecule containing 3 to 7 carbons is a option A, disaccharide. Option B, monosaccharide. Option C, polysaccharide. Option D, dipeptide. And option E, polypeptide. The correct answer to this question is a monosaccharide. Example of a monosaccharide can be glucose, which is 6 carbon compound. Our next question is, sucrose. A common table sugar is composed of option A, glucose plus fructose. Option B, glucose plus galactose. Option C, fructose plus galactose. And option D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus galactose is known to give lactose. Our next question is, oval shaped and eccentric starch particles are found in option A, wheat. Option B, maize. Option C, potato. And option D, rice. The correct answer to this question is option C, potato. Next question is, what are the most diversified molecules in the cell? Option A, lipids or fats. Option B, proteins. Option C, carbohydrates, which compose of sugars. And option D, mineral salts. The correct answer to this question is proteins, which are better known as the building blocks of a body. Next question is, largest physical and chemical molecules are option A, carbohydrates. Option B, lipids. Option C, proteins. And option D, nucleic acids. The correct answer to this question is option C, which is proteins. Our next question is, lipids are insoluble in water because lipid molecules are option A, neutral. Option B, zwitter ions. Option C, hydrophobic. And option D, hydrophilic. Here hydro refers to water, while phobic refers to fear, and philic to love. Lipids fear water and therefore insoluble in water. So the correct answer is option C, hydrophobic. Our next question is, allurone grains are option A, enzymes. Option B, carbohydrates. Option C, proteins. And option D, fats. The correct answer to this question is option C, proteins. Next question is, arachidonic acid is option A, non-essential fatty acid. Option B, essential fatty acid. Option C, polyunsaturated fatty acid. And option D, both B and C. The correct answer to this question is option B, because arachidonic acid is an essential fatty acid needed in the body. In spite of gaining complete glucose, plant stores fructose in ripening fruits because in comparison of glucose, fructose is option A, more sweet. Option B, release more energy at the time of oxidation. Option C, more stable for oxidation. And option D, occupy less space. The correct answer to this question is option A, it is more sweet. The sweetening index of fructose is about 170, whereas that of glucose is around 70, which makes it more sweet. Next question is, during strenuous exercise, glucose is converted into option A, glycogen, option B, pyruvic acid, option C, starch, and option D, lactic acid. The correct answer to this question is option D, and we need to remember that during exercise, glucose gets converted to lactic acid, which is a symbol of fatigue. Our next question is, maltose consists of which of the following? Option A, beta glucose and beta galactose. Option B, alpha glucose and alpha fructose. Option C, alpha sucrose and beta glucose. And option D, glucose and glucose. The correct answer to this question is option D. Maltose contains G plus G, which is glucose plus glucose. Next question is, paraffin wax is option A, ester, option B, acid, option C, monohydric alcohol, and option D, cholesterol. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is ester. So paraffin wax is an ester. Our next question is, match the items in column 1 with items in column 2 and choose the correct answer. Of column 1 includes triglyceride, membrane lipid, steroid, and wax. Column 2 has animal hormones, feathers and leaves, phospholipids, and fat stored in form of droplets. Option A is A4, B3, C1 and D2. Option B says A2, B3, C4 and D1. Option C is A3, B4, C1 and D2. Option D is A4, B1, C2 and D3. And option E is A4, B3, C2 and D1. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is A4, B3, C2, C1 and D2. Triglyceride is the fat stored in form of droplets. Membrane lipid is also known as a phospholipid. Steroid is an animal hormone, and wax is present in the feathers and leaves. The next question is, select the wrong statement. The building blocks of lipids are amino acids. Option B, majority of enzymes contain a non-protein part called the prosynthetic group. Option C, thylakoids are arranged one above the other like a stack of coins forming a granum. Option D, crossing over occurs at the pachycine stage of meiosis 1. Option E, steroids and complex compounds commonly found in cell membranes and animal hormones. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is the building blocks of lipids are amino acids, whereas actually the building blocks of proteins are amino acids and lipids consist of fatty acids plus glycerol. Next question is, what does the following equation denote? Amino acids plus ATP yields aminoacyl AMP plus PP. Options are elongation of chain, chain termination, activation of amino acids, and D, none of these. The correct answer to this question is option C, as the above equation indicates the activation of amino acids by the formation of aminoacyl AMP and PP. Which of the following fats is least harmful for health and the heart? Option A, saturated fat. Option B, cholesterol. Option C, polyunsaturated fat. And option D, oils. The correct answer to this question is polyunsaturated fat, as all the other three options can lead to heart failure or atherosclerosis and atherosclerosis. Correct answer is option A, polyunsaturated fat. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organs. Which of the following 5 properties of starch make it useful as a storage material? Option A, it is easily translocated. Option B, chemically non-reactive. Option C, easily digested by animals. Option D, osmotically inactive. And option E, synthesized during photosynthesis. The useful properties are option A, C and E. Option B, A and E. Option C, B and C. And option D, B and D. Here the most important properties which help are B and D, which is chemically non-reactive and osmotically active, which makes the carbohydrates found as starch in plant storage organs. The quaternary structure of proteins is consists of 4 subunits, maybe either alpha or beta. C is unrelated to the two functions of proteins. Option D is dictated by the primary structures of the individual subunits. The correct answer here is option D. The quaternary structure basically consists of the linkings of the two polypeptide chains, which is exhibited in the structure of proteins, and thus the correct answer is option D. Question is, which of the following is not a conjugated protein? Option A, peptone. Option B, phosphoprotein. Option C, lipoprotein. And option D, chromoprotein. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is peptone. Peptone is a derived protein, while the others are conjugated protein. Our next question is, in a polysaccharide, the individual monosaccharides are linked by a option A, glycosidic bond. Option B, peptide bond. Option C, ester bond. Option D, phosphodiester bond. And option E, hydrogen bond. The correct answer to this question is option A, which is glycosidic bond. Peptide bond is found in proteins, while hydrogen bond is found in nucleic acids. Next question is, DNA is present in option A, nucleus only. Option B, mitochondrion only. Option C, chloroplast only. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer to this question is option D, as we can notice the presence of DNA in all three, that is nucleus, mitochondrion and chloroplast. Our next question is, how many nucleotides are present in one turn of DNA helix? Option A, 4 pairs. Option B, 8 pairs. Option C, 10 pairs. And option D, 9 pairs. The correct answer to this question is option C, which is 10 pairs. Our next question is, name the elements which occur in nucleic acid macromolecule. Option A, CHONS, that is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Option B, CONS, that is carbon, oxygen, nitrogen and sulfur. Option C, COPS, which is carbon, oxygen, phosphorus and sulfur. Option D, which is CHONP, which is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen and phosphorus. And option E, which is HOP, which is hydrogen, oxygen and phosphorus. The correct answer to this question is option D. It is carbon, hydrogen, oxygen and nitrogen in the form of the nitrogen base, and phosphor at the phosphate ion. So the correct answer is option D. RNA and ATP contains option A, hexose sugar. Option B, deoxyribose sugar. Option C, dextrose sugar. And option D, ribose sugar. The correct answer to this question can be made up from the name of RNA, which is ribose nucleic acid, while deoxyribose nucleic acid is the sugar present in DNA. So the correct answer is option D, ribose sugar. Our next question is, the length of DNA having 23 base pairs is option A, 70 Armstrongs. Option B, 78.4 Armstrongs. Option C, 78.2 Armstrong. Option D, 74.8 Armstrong. And option E, 74.2 Armstrong. The correct answer to this question is option E, which is 74.2 Armstrong, which is obtained as 23 into 3.4 Armstrong. Our next question is, a nucleoside is made up of option A, sugar only. Option B, phosphate only. Option C, sugar and phosphate. And option D, sugar and nitrogen base. The correct answer to this question is sugar and nitrogen base, that is option D. A nucleoside, when combines with a phosphate, gives rise to a nucleotide, and a nucleotide combining with a sugar gives rise to a nucleic acid.